Hey guys, it's Russell back, and this is going to be a little bit different video. Today is July the 12th, 2020, and we are going to be battling, oh, there's a hummingbird. We're going to be battling some hornets. In my front yard, I have a hornet's nest that's about that big. It's gotten that big in a week. Yesterday I was cutting the lawn, and I went by the tree that you're going to see in a minute. I didn't know the hornets were there, and as soon as I passed under it, it felt like somebody shot me in the back with a .22, and I got zapped by a bald face hornet. Now I'm very fortunate because those are usually pretty aggressive, and I was within several inches of the actual nest, which you're going to see in just a minute. So I'm going to take care of them. We're going to use the, I think it's black flag. Anyway, I'll show you what we're going to use, but I don't want to get stung again. And it's going to cost probably around $200 for having an exterminator come out and do this. So I've been thinking all day about how to actually get rid of these hornets. And you know what? We're going to do it with a Jetta. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get into the Jetta. That will be my protection, and I'm going to roll up next to the tree because the hornet's nest is only about this high up, and it's perfect because the opening will be facing where the camera's facing, and we're going to discipline these suckers. Going to discipline them good. It is, sun has already set, but they're still going in and out of the nest, but we've got to have enough light to actually have the camera be able to see everything. So let me set the camera up so you guys can see what the nest looks like. All right, so right at the tip of my finger is where the nest is. It's about the size of a big grapefruit right now. You can see them going in. The hole is facing, the entrance is facing this way. So, yeah, one just went in. So normally I would probably wait till dark, but I want to video this. And yeah, so this is going to be a little bit different video than you're used to. But yeah, that nest is going to die. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the mic on me, and I'm going to reposition the Jetta. I'm going to drive it in the yard. My yard is it's got enough room. I'm going to be able to back into it. So the cars. Let me give you a wide shot. So I'm going to back the Jetta in so it's sitting right here. And I'm going to crack the window open, and we are going to take out that nest. Yes, we are. So let me leave the camera right here. That's as close as it will focus in. And let's do this. Now it may be where I'm going to have to sit there for a minute and let them settle down if they get freaked out with the car. I don't know if they will, but my goal is to get most of them. They're still out foraging a little bit, but let me get the chemical, and we'll go for it. All right. So what I'm using is Hot Shot Wasp and Hornet Killer. It says it will spray up to 27 feet. So, all right. I'm going to go ahead and get in the car. I'm going to leave the mic on. Now, I've never actually killed a hornet's nest. We don't usually see those around here. Mostly what we have are paper wasps. So let me get in position here. Here come the exterminator. That's right. look at that nest. All right, so I'm gonna be right here. That's a perfect shot. I'm gonna let him, I'm just gonna turn the, I'm gonna turn off the car. Yeah, I can see him up in there moving. So, all right, well, they're all over that nest. It's a big old nest. All right, well, no time like the present. Here we go. All right. Yeah, they're mad. Don't hit them again. I don't know where it's coming from. Now this stuff says it kills on contact, so ooh, I got a good shot in that hole right there. So the nest is soaked. Well, we'll just wait and see what happens. So the can stuff is out. I don't have any more. All right, so since I don't have any more, let me move the car out of here. There's no sense in it being here. So it says that it kills on contact, but it didn't look like it was killing anything. Alrighty. Alright, so what I'm going to do is we will come back tomorrow and see if the nest died from all that chemical I sprayed on them. Alright, so here we are. I tried to do the Hornet extermination yesterday and it didn't completely get it. So we're in the vehicle right now. So we're completely safe. And this time we're going to use the fail-safe brake parts cleaner. All right, here we go. I'm just going to barely crack the window open. You got a good shot of it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Knockdown power. Look at that. That stuff's much better. And this is cheaper too. Look at that. Are you getting
yeah. They're not flying.
Look at that. It instantaneously kills them. I should have used this yesterday. But kills them on contact. A can of brake parts cleaner is like $2.50. That can of Hot Shot was I don't know, it was about $6. Now, if this wasn't a ginkgo tree and a valuable tree, I would throw a match on it. Look at that. They can't even get out of the hole. They're dead. Should I hit it again? All right. Outstanding. That's how we do it here in the South. We use brake parts cleaner. And I'm trying to tell you, don't spend money on all that insecticide. Use what you know works. Wherever, from CarQuest, brake parts cleaner.